Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change your eBay password. So firstly, let's open eBay application, and then you need to tap My eBay at the bottom side of your screen, and then tap the settings. Here you need to select Sign in and security section, and here you can see change password button. So you might be asked to log in to verify your identity, and you can do it using your email address or using your phone number. Okay, I will probably use my email, and now I need to receive an email with my confirmation code. But of course, don't type my code, because you will have something else. Click continue, and now we need to enter your new password. So let me pick up my phone so that you don't see my password. Okay, when you entered your new password, you need to click continue button, and your password will be successfully changed. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.